Hey, what's up? Amelia here. Let's check out what's coming up on Newsbreak. How about a trip to the moon? A very Australian new Fortnite skin? And an amazing snake rescue. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. A Japanese billionaire is looking for 8 people to take with him on a trip to the moon, and the journey won't cost them a cent. Check it out.
2023. Humankind will once again head to the moon.
I'm inviting you to join me on this mission. 8 of you from all around the world.
I live in the world. Thanks for the invite, Japanese entrepreneur Yusaku Maezawa. Back in 2018, it was announced he'd be the first private passenger to go to the moon. Maezawa originally said he planned to invite 6 to 8 artists to join him on the voyage, but now he says it's open to anyone that's doing something creative, because he hopes the trip will inspire them to make a positive impact on the world.
The trip will be... Actually, it's way cooler when this guy says it.
The first civilian lunar mission, Dear Moon.
The Dear Moon mission will take 6 days and loop around the moon in this SpaceX rocket. SpaceX is just one of a bunch of companies that are working hard to bring space tourism to everyday people. Potential space travelers will have until March 14 to pre-register, with the flight set to blast off in 2023.
This will be historic and I think very fun and interesting and inspiring and exciting. Great.
Sounds very fun and interesting and inspiring and exciting. Great.
One of Australia's biggest streamers has just been given his very own Fortnite skin. Lannan LazarBeam Ecot joins the ranks of a bunch of other big-name streamers and celebrities who have been handed their own personalised look. And he took some inspiration from his old job as a tradie.
I got a stand-in. This is my brother Callan. This is what I used to look like, except I was like way better looking. Way more muscular too.
And to top it off,
I thought that was pretty funny. A tradie eating a meat pie.
Yep, the skin features a meat pie emote. Aussie Glenn Maxwell helped his side to a massive T20 win last night, smashing boundaries and a seat. Yes, an actual seat. The absolute destruction of this seat of a blistering 6 has taken on a life of its own. The stadium's boss asked Maxwell to sign it, and it's now being auctioned off to raise money for charity. Nice. Some good news for people in far North Queensland today. Tropical Cyclone Niran, which brought lots of rain and heavy winds, has now started to move away from the coast and out to sea. We check in with some kids to find out how they're going.
Hi BTN, my name is Jindali. I'm Jarlin. No, I'm Druka. We live in the Atherton Tablelands in far North Queensland.
These guys have been through a rough few days, as Cyclone Niran battered houses and flattened entire crops on banana farms. It caught a lot of people off guard. Thankfully, nobody's been injured, but the wild weather is still around.
We currently have a cyclone warning as Cyclone Niran sits off the coast of North Queensland.
Cyclones come in category 1 to 5.
A category 3 or higher is extreme and dangerous, causing a lot of damage.
Cyclones can be unpredictable. We need to be aware and cyclone ready.
When we prepare for a cyclone, our mum keeps us well informed of all the updates from BOM, weather apps and social media. We have an emergency plan ready and we know where to go if we need to evacuate.
We have to tie a trampoline down and secure all the items outside so they don't blow away. This is how we tie down a trampoline for a cyclone.
The Bureau of Meteorology is saying that the Category 3 storm is slowly moving away, and many locals are hoping it doesn't come back.
Hopefully. Bye!
Today's segment is a tribute to the bold, the audacious, the intrepid and the fearless. I'm none of those things, but these daredevils definitely are. Trying to fit into a drain pipe when you're a 4-metre long python, that's daring. Trying to rescue the 4-metre long python, even more daring. Yikes! It took 3 hours for these people in India to get the big guy out, but at least it got a nice wash down afterwards and hopefully learnt a valuable lesson. Drain pipes are a tight squeeze. These daredevils don't need any lessons, at least not about paragliding. The 2 pros glided their way around the world's largest fountain in Dubai, where the water reaches heights of 105 metres. And these daring pussycats found themselves where even the most fearless land creatures don't want to be, on a sinking ship. Luckily, the Thai Navy dared to come to their rescue. And as you can see, the cats are now being looked after by the officers that saved them. Aww. Well, that's all the news for today, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.